Alright guys, there's two effective ways I like to catch brook trout. One of them is just using, this is a $1,000 combo. We got a $500 Frable Fenris and a $450, this is not including tax by the way, *6 Shakespeare. So basically what we're going to do is just take this bobber and we're getting a reaction strike. Make sure that drag is locked. And this line came with the reel, so it's super good. And basically what we're going to do is just get this reaction strike. We're going to bomb the bobber out there. Let it sit for a sec. You just want to let it calm down, give it a couple twitches, and then just rip it. Just like this. And by ripping it, you're actually getting reaction strikes out of the trout. Because when they're really aggressive like today, when you've got prime conditions like this in the pond, you just really want to get that reaction strike. That's a really good way to catch big stock brookies, especially in ponds like this, like these very deep, clear ponds that've got some quality fish in them. That's a great way to catch them. We are now going to try this method on an incoming brown trout. It seems to be in a pretty aggressive mood today. Oh! Guys, these fish are so pressured. They've seen everything. You have to catch them with no bait. Engaged. Engaged. There's no way he's eating that. No chance.
Oh, there's the back there.
Big male? Just kidding.
Looks like a freaking Oscar.
It does, that's what I was saying. It looks like an Oscar.
Look at that.
Might be a hybrid of some sort. Dude, you fish lip. He must have been caught like 8 times.
Pressure, bluegill.
Yeah. Just when you thought the pressure couldn't get any worse. Bluegills have no mouth. Alright. I think I've got these trout dialed, dude. New rig. Jake, I got you, bro. It's fine. Jake, it's fine. The new rig. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at, dude? Dude, where's he at?
What the fuck is that?
Dude, it's just a nice little hook. Oh, dude. He's all over it, dude. He's all over it. Oh, dude, he's engaging. He's engaged. He's engaged, dude. Dude. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Dude, the way to do it is to tip it with the trout magnet. Trust me. You have to get them dialed. That's what you come here for, guys. Bass on the fly. Look at that. The biggest thing.
Look at that hook set.
Look at that hook set, dude. Oh my god. It's over. Alright, I am on what is hopefully going to be the last cold day here in spring. It is April 30th, so it's pretty much mid-spring now. The next 4 days are going to be over 80 degrees. So that's going to completely kill the trout fishing for a long time until that water gets back down. Hopefully it'll get back down into the low 60s or whatever, but if it stays up in the 70s, the trout fishing is going to be gone. So I'm taking this, I'm going to brave the cold. It's like 40 something degrees out right now and the last day of April. So I'm going to show you guys how to catch brook trout. You fuck. Our Brookie's in here.
Oh,
There
you go.
Nice, if you hit them hard enough, they don't even fight. You just jack that guy so hard. Oh wow, that's a trophy right there. Look at that steelhead. It's like a steelhead. Oh shit. Get him. What pound test are you using?
6.
Oh, I can't believe it just broke.
No, I think it's
A little Phoebe spoon.